everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have another exciting unboxing for you all, so let's get started. November 8th was the release date of Vivienne Japan exclusive limited edition here, but they didn't have the full collection in my local LV store. I need to put on a deposit to get this item, so finally it's here and I'm happy to share it with you all what I got from this collection. But first, let me show you their holiday shopping bag for this year. Look how colorful it is. It has a 3D effect. I'm planning to put this on a frame for this is a great display. There. Okay, let's just put this on the side. Now let me show you what I got from this Vivienne Japan exclusive collection. Here it is. This is the Zippy round coin purse in monogram print with gold hardware. So you can see that Vivienne is holding an umbrella with pink monogram pattern. There, it's so cute and pretty, carrying a mini bucket bag. There. This was inspired by casual everyday scenery. And on the back, it's just plain monogram print. It has this pink leather lining, and when you open it, it has a pink interior. And it says made in France. And here's the item code if you are here in Japan. They're so pretty. Okay, next one. Here it is. This is the keychain in monogram print with gold hardware. So now you can see that Vivienne is drinking lemonade, carrying a never full bag, and on the other side has a color red, and it's made in France. I also love this design, it's so cute. You can put it in your LV bags. Yes. Okay, now let's open this big box. Let's just put this on the side. Here, it's the ribbon and the receipt. Okay, and to reveal, this is the Neo Noe bucket bag in the color rose powder. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm so sorry. So in the color light pink in monogram canvas. There. So everyone is so familiar with this bag. the side it says Louis Vuitton Paris, and on the other side, made in France. So here is the detachable and adjustable strap. Let's just put this on. And inside it has a zipper compartment, middle compartment. And here's the LV booklet. There. I also order an organizer for this from Amazon. I like using organizer. It protects the lining from getting dirty. So let me just put this inside. And this one has a zipper closure. Rear end compartment. And this is how it looks inside. Love the color pink. It's my favorite color. This is a great everyday bag that I can fit all my essentials. Now let me put this Vivienne keychain here. So let's put it here. There. My round coin purse. My Christmas animation Vivienne. This is so pretty. It's my favorite. Key holder. And my wallet. There. It also has a bright pink interior. Yes, they can fit in all inside. There. Love it. Especially this keychain. So cute. Hey, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!